Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Iqbal's Inspirations and Insights with Fahad Khan. Recently I had another opportunity to visit Istanbul. Now this city of Istanbul is a very important and significant city for Muslims and Islamic history. Istanbul, previously known as Constantinople, was the headquarters for the Byzantine Empire. And during the time of the Prophet ﷺ, he made a prediction, a prophecy about the conquering or capturing of Constantinople. He ﷺ said, لَتَفْتَحَنَّ الْقُسْطَنْطِنِيَّةَ فَلَنِعْمَ الْأَمِيرُ أَمِيرُهَا وَلَنِعْمَ الْجَيْشُ ذَلِكَ الْجَيْشُ. That verily you shall conquer Constantinople. What a wonderful leader will he be, and what a wonderful army will that army be. And this hadith of the Prophet ﷺ then served as a motivation for many sultans and many emirs to want to try to conquer Constantinople and become that individual that the Prophet ﷺ gave these glad tidings to and provided this prophecy for. And on May 29, 1453, Sultan Muhammad II, or Sultan al-Fatih, conquered the city of Constantinople. And because of its significance, Allama Muhammad Iqbal mentioned it in one of his poems when talking about the important cities to Muslims after Makkah. He says, خطۂ قسطنطنیہ یعنی قیصر کا دیار مہدی امت کی سطوت کا نشان پائدار. So he's introducing the city of Constantinople as the city which was the home of Caesar, of Qaiser at the time. This was the base of the Byzantine Empire, continuation of the Roman Empire, one of the most powerful empires in our history. But then Allama also alludes to the fact that this city was conquered by Sultan Muhammad II. So he titles him as Mehdi Ummat, the one who is a source of guidance for the entire Ummah, and that this city became a sign of the grandeur of the power of this Mehdi Ummat. And then he continues on to say, Sûrat khâk-e haram ye sarzamîn bhi pak hai, Ástán مسند آرائے لولاک hai. That just like the land of Haram, right, for us, which is the Mecca and Medina, this land is also very pure because it is the shrine of the descendants of the Prophet ﷺ, right? I mean, Allama is giving a lot of value to those who follow the message of Rasul ﷺ, like Sultan Muhammad II, and on top of that, a Sahabi, Abu Ayyub al-Ansari, who's buried in Istanbul. So he is connecting the city of Istanbul or Constantinople back to the Prophet ﷺ. And he says, Nikate gul ki tarah paakiza hai iski hawa, turbate Ayyub Ansari se aati hai sada. That a voice comes calling from the tomb of Abu Ayyub al-Ansari that the air, the breeze of this city is as pure as the smell of a beautiful flower. And then he ends with, اے مسلماں ملت اسلام کا دل ہے یہ شہر سینکڑوں صدیوں کی کشت و خون کا حاصل ہے یہ شہر. So he's reminding the Muslims of the significance of this city. He says, O Muslims, this city is the heart of the millah of Islam. Not just one specific country or a tribe or type of people, rather the whole Islam should see this city as its heart. And why not? Because it took hundreds of years and many thousands of people to give their life and their blood to obtain this city. If you ever have the opportunity, I would highly recommend that you visit Istanbul. Not only will you love the hospitality of the Turkish people, but you will also enjoy the awe-inspiring structures of the mosques that are in Istanbul, being in the presence of a rich history and a very beloved companion of the Prophet ﷺ, Abu Ayyub al-Ansari radiyallahu anhu, who is resting there.